If you're looking for another leftover chicken or turkey recipe, this pasta-baked casserole is a great idea. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a Caesar chicken pasta-baked casserole. Stay tuned. I roasted a chicken yesterday and I have some leftovers. Turkey will also work well in this recipe. In a large bowl, I'm adding in some bite-sized cubed chicken, a couple chopped green onions, red bell peppers, some grated mozzarella cheese, chicken broth, and you can use turkey or vegetable broth, sour cream, and this is a creamy Caesar salad dressing, and you can use any brand that you like, giving everything a good toss to combine. I'm also adding in some black pepper and garlic powder and giving that a toss. I'm not adding any salt as the dressing and cheese will have enough for us. You can taste and add the seasonings that you like. I cooked some penne pasta and I'm adding it into the bowl with my mixture. I undercooked the pasta by a couple minutes as it will finish cooking in the oven. I'm pouring everything into an oiled baking dish and leveling out. For an extra crunchy topping, I'm dropping on some Caesar seasoned croutons. If you wanted, you could crush the croutons a little, but I kept them whole. They really add a nice flavor, bite, and crunch to this casserole. And finally, I'm sprinkling on some Parmesan cheese. This goes into a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the croutons are golden and the casserole is bubbly hot. Once the Caesar chicken pasta bake is done, let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. I love the creamy Caesar sauce, and the Caesar croutons really add a nice touch and crunch. Serving tonight with a side Caesar salad. This Caesar chicken pasta bake casserole is easy and great for those busy nights. With the holiday season here, this is also a wonderful casserole for the leftover turkey. I hope you give the Caesar chicken pasta bake a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.